Today we're talking about DNS. And no, it's not some complicated tech stuff you need to avoid. Think of DNS like a phone book for the internet. Every time you type a website name, your DNS server translates that into an actual address your computer can connect to. The faster your DNS, the faster your browsing feels. Now, I'm going to show you something real quick. I'm opening Facebook right now. I'm using Google DNS, which usually works fine, but watch this. I'm scrolling, refreshing the page, and you can see it's sluggish. It's loading, but it feels laggy. Let me try opening another site. Same thing, way too slow. So here's what we're going to do. I'm using a tool called DNS Benchmark. This is version 1. They released a paid version 2 that's supposed to be more accurate, but honestly, I tested V1 and it gave me the best results. It's free, it works, so let's use it. I'll run the benchmark now. What this does is test a bunch of DNS servers and shows you which ones are fastest for your connection. Once it's done, I'm copying the fastest DNS it found, opening my network settings, and pasting it in. Simple as that. Now I'm reopening Chrome, and boom, way faster. Pages are loading instantly. That's the difference a good DNS makes. Quick side note for gamers. If you have ExitLag, either the paid version or the free 3-day trial, there's a DNS option built in. I use it because it's paid and honestly gives more accurate results. Right now, I was using my ISP's DNS and Cloudflare's 1.0.0.1, but ExitLag is recommending both Cloudflare DNS addresses, 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1, which work even better together. ExitLag auto-registers them for you. Just restart your browser after, and you're good to go. So let me explain how DNS actually works, especially in gaming. When you're browsing, DNS is like a book that matches what you type to the right destination as fast as possible. It helps establish that first connection, and then your browser uses cache to speed things up even more on repeat visits. In gaming, it's the same idea. When you start a queue, your DNS is what connects you to the lobby. It's working behind the scenes to figure out which lobby queue is closest to you, which one's best for your internet. And once that connection is established and you're in the game, DNS steps back. Its job is done. Overall, DNS helps your PC and your internet reach their destination as quickly as possible because it knows all the routes. All right, that's it for today. If this helped, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.